guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a brand new video for you. I got here my Walmart beauty box for spring. Yes, I got two of them here, but before we talk about this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload videos. And always don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Dsotobeautysubscription. All right, guys. All right, here are the two spring boxes here. If you don't know what Walmart beauty box is, I'm fairly new to this. This is the third box that I got so far. They have these come out basically during the season. So of course the 4 seasons. So we got the spring box. And they upped the price. Before it used to be $5. Now they changed it to $7 so they can be they could put more into this. That is we got an email not that long ago about the prices going up a little bit. So yeah, so let's just see if they changed anything in here. What's the difference? Are we getting better products? Are we getting more full-size items in these boxes? Who knows, but we're going to find out. All right, so here is the two boxes. Both of them have two different profiles. The other one I have like my age, you know, whatever, I love makeup, and then the other one has a younger age, still into makeup and things like that. I can't remember how I put it, but I know they're both different ages. Okay, so let's open this one. I believe this one came here. So this is mine with my age, and then this one is the younger age. All right, let's go in here. It does come like this in a cardboard box. There's only a plastic wrapped on it so that your address will be on that plastic. So they literally come in like this. Okay, so when you get the box, here it is. There is a card in here. Ooh, guys. Okay, so here is the card. It says, I'm going to close it a little bit. This says Spring 2021 Walmart Beauty, hashtag Walmart Beauty Box. And inside the card, it tells you like products that you may receive in this box. Of course, it is 5 products in the box that you will get. It says a breath of fresh air for your routine, just in time for spring. Tag hashtag Walmart Beauty Box to share your look. And then you can shop these products. Again, yeah, so again, this is spring. It says Mindful Beauty Box, dropping summer 2021, a limited assortment of products made with ingredients you can find about. Oh, okay, so there's going to be a Mindful Beauty Box dropping in 2021. So that one's going to be like a limited edition. So sometimes Walmart does that they put up these random boxes that could be like $12. And it's not a subscription. You could just buy the beauty box. And it says here, dropping summer 2021. So look out for that. I'll try to look out for it too. It's going to be called Mindful Beauty Box. Okay, so let's get into here. And let's get into this box and see what I got. All right, I'm excited. There's some goodies in here. Okay, this just popped out. I'm just like, whoa, here they are. Wow, look at that. These are Wild Primrose by, oh, that's that brand that I cannot say. Maybe if I turn it this way, you can see that www. This is a hair accessories. It retails between $4.97 to $7.97. So we got 5 scrunchies here. So I'll try to find the real value of this one. It says add a cute twist to your daily look with comfort, trend forward essence from Wild Primrose, Walmart exclusive hair accessory line. Oh my god, these are super cute. Let me see, where am I? Oopsie. I like moved the camera. Sorry, guys. Sorry for moving you. All right, let's see. These look like. These are super cute. Look at that. So we got a brown one with like a little bow on it. Oh, super cute scrunchie. We got this one. This reminds me of like the 80s when you like seriously put the hair up and go on the side. I don't know, like the material. I forgot what it's called, that material, but this is super cute. Ooh, this is like a velvet type of scrunchie. Love that. And then we got like a leopard print one here. Super cute. And like a cream color. Oh, these are really, really nice. Let's see. Let's try one out. Let's try this brown one that I have here. I did straighten my hair. Oh, side note. I tried this out, this hair mask, Rose Quartz hair mask that I got in my BoxyCharm Luxe box. If you haven't seen that video, go check that out. I have tried this and this stuff is amazing. I love the way it made my hair feel. Look at this. It doesn't look like a lion or anything like that. It really softened my hair. I have been using it for a week now and I love it. It's so amazing. It really hydrate and nourished my hair. I don't know, it's just amazing. Let's see. I'm just trying. Oh, missing a part of my hair. Just trying this out. Look at that. Missed a part. But that's super cute. I love that. And it has like a little bow. I don't know if you can tell. That's super, super cute. I love that. All right. So we got scrunchies. Not mad at that. And that this is awesome. So of course this is going to be a full size item. All right. The next thing is another full size item here. Here we go. This is the Hello Active Charcoal Toothbrush. This retails for $3.99. Soft precision taper bristles are great at cleaning hard to reach spots with being gentle on your gums. And the BPA free handle offers a comfy grip. So we got a toothbrush, a new one. Oh, look at that. And it's black. Love that color. Charcoal bristles. Feels nice too. So I'm excited about that. I did need a new toothbrush, so got one there and I can try it out. And that's something that can go with it. Here it is. This of course has to be a sample size. This is the Hello toothbrush. Retails for $3.99 for a 4 ounce. I got a 1 ounce. So basically $1 right here. Bring out your bright smile with naturally driven ingredients that are safe and effective at reducing plaque and keeping breath fresh. Flavor vary. So what is mine? Active charcoal with fresh mint and coconut oil. Epic whitening fluoride-free toothpaste. Ooh, so that's nice to try that out with the toothbrush. All right, another product that I got here. This is the Humphreys Witch Hazel Toner. Full size is $10.98 for an 8 ounce. I got a 3.3 fluid ounce. That's not bad. This is a toner, and this one, it says you can get a variety. So there's gonna be like different scents. Mine is with rose, smooth with rose. That's what it is. Love that. This is like a wooden cap. Super cute. Love that toner. All right. The next thing, look at this, guys. Super cute for nails. Wow. This is the Dashing Diva Ultra Shine Gel Palette. It's a full size, $6.97 for 32 strips. This one comes with 20 gels. Okay. Still consider this full size. Easy to apply nail strips, delivers a strong shiny gel mani that lasts up to 14 days. Mix and match solid colors with showing stop accents. Designs for custom look. Colors may vary, so you might get a different set. This one's super, super cute with like the teal color. Love that. Okay, and then the last thing I got here is a sample. Is this on here? No, this is not on here. So this is just like a little sample, and this is the Tanologist Face and Body Drop. It's a self-tanning drop and it's in medium. So this is what it will look like if you get it. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, okay, so I got my 5 item 5 items, and this is like an extra. So let's kind of like recap what I got in this box. So this is just a little sample to try out. So this is the toner, the toothpaste, the toothbrush, the nails, and the hair scrunchie. So these are the 5 products that were in this box. So that is exciting. I did like this spring box. Wow, nice. Okay, now let's check out a box number 2 with, this is the younger one, and with my different email address, and it was shipped in a different address. So let's check this out. Here we go. Oop, I've already seen something different. Okay, same thing. Walmart Beauty Spring 2021. Same products, the variety. All right, let's see what I got in here. Ooh, okay. So here I'm gonna pull out what we got the same. We got another Witch Hazel alcohol-free toner, the Humphreys one, but this one is nourished with aloe. The other one was rose. So basically, yeah, this is different. So this one's aloe, and I got the rose one. So I got, that's different. Excuse me. All right, another product that we got the same is the Hello toothpaste, and it is the same scent, flavor, whatever. It is a fresh mint coconut with coconut oil by Hello. Okay, and let's see. Okay, we got another nail strip, but these are in leopard print. This is super cute. Oh wow, look at that. And these are again full size, $6.97 for 32 strips. This one's different. We got the 7 Heaven charcoal peel off mask. Full size is $1.37 for 1 sheet. So this is a full size product here. I tried this 7 Heaven brand before. It does hurt. So be very, very careful. It will pull everything. So if you have facial hair, anything like that, this will pull it off. So that's another full-size item. Okay, and then we did get another set of scrunchies by Wild Primrose. Again, it retails between $4.97 and $7.97. And we got 5 of them. Really cute. Oh my god, this one is like leather. Like, oh my god, that is so cute. This just brings back like my childhood in the 90s and whatever. Oh my god, super cute. I love that. And then of course I got another sample of that Face and Body drop tanner. So oh my goodness, this was a really good box. Okay, again, so we got a full size of the hair scrunchies. I'm gonna say this is another full size too, even though you're supposed to get 32, there's 20 in here. That's still a good amount. You did get a full size sheet mask and a sample of the toner, which is still a good amount, and the toothpaste. So this was another great spring box. I mean, I really did like this. I did like this box this month. All right, guys, that's it. What did you think? I know some of you have already started getting these Walmart beauty box. I know they take a little longer to get shipped out here. I just got an email yesterday that my boxes were shipped when I already had them for a week, and I'm like, wait, how is this possible? So I had to double check. It was the same tracking number as the boxes. So I was like, okay, they're already here. They just were a couple of days late in sending me that email. So don't be scared. Your boxes will be here soon. I got mine. All right, so let me know, what did you think about my boxes this month? All right, guys, that is everything that I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and also hit that notification bell. And always follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Dsotobeautysubscription. All right, my loves, I hope you all take care, be safe out there, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.